Tired of hunting for the feedback button in Word? Here is exactly where it is and how to send your thoughts in under 30 seconds. We will click through the Help tab. Select Feedback. Choose a compliment or suggestion. Type your message and submit. All right, let us jump right into this. Open up Microsoft Word on your computer. Now, look up at the very top of the window, that long bar with all the different tabs. You are looking for the one that says Help. It is usually all the way on the right-hand side, just past View. Go ahead and click on that Help tab. Once you click it, a menu will drop down. And here is the really important part. You might be tempted to type something into that search bar that says, "Tell me what you want to do." Do not do that. Instead, look a little further down the list. You will see an option that simply says Feedback. Just click on that. So now that you have clicked Feedback, a new window or a pane will pop up on the right side of your screen. It will give you two clear choices. You can either give a compliment or suggest a feature. Let us say you really love that new dark mode and you want Microsoft to know. You would click Give a Compliment. Or, if there is a tool you wish existed, like a better way to organize your fonts, click Suggest a Feature. I have walked through this process countless times, and this is the part where most people get tripped up. So just pick whichever one fits what you want to say. Now pay attention to this one. After you click your choice, a text box will appear. This is your chance to be heard. Type out your feedback here. Be as specific as you can. Instead of saying the app is bad, try something like "I would love a shortcut to insert a table." This helps the team understand exactly what you need. It is a small text box, so you do not need to write a whole essay, just a clear, concise message. Once you have typed everything you want to say, look down to the bottom of that pane. You will see a blue button that says Submit. Go ahead and click it. And that is it. Seriously, your feedback is now sent directly to the Microsoft team. This might take a moment to process, so give it just a second. And there you have it. From struggling to find that hidden menu, to confidently sharing your thoughts in just a few clicks. I have used this method dozens of times to report bugs and suggest features, and it genuinely helps shape the future of the software you use every day. Thanks for sticking with me. If this helped you out, give the video a like and I will catch you in the next one.